To display your today's steps on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can add the step widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find help, or you can quickly find the widget by tapping its name on the search bar. Tap help. Next, tap and hold the step widget and then drag it to the desired area on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap anywhere outside the widget. As you can see, the step widget has been added to your home screen. This widget will display the number of steps on your home screen, so you can easily track your progress throughout the day, allowing you to see if you are meeting, exceeding, or falling short of your step target without you have to open the S Health app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.